Hey guys, today I'm going to make some cheesecake toast. So let's get toasting. The other night I was hungry for something sweet and I really couldn't find much of anything, so I was digging through the cupboard and I found a can of pie cherries, cherry pie cherries. So, and I had some cream cheese. So this is what I came up with. This is whipped cream cheese, but I guess you could use you know, just regular cream cheese as well. So I toasted a piece of bread here. The bread's already toasted. Didn't show you that. I figure everybody knows how to make a piece of toast. So, put some of the cream cheese on the bread here. And then just top it with some of these cherry pie filling cherries. They have other types of pie toppings too. If you don't like cherries, I think they make different kinds of berries and apple and different things, but I think I got this at the grocery outlet for about $2. Although if you look at in the regular grocery stores, I think it's about $5 or $6 now. So, but I thought this was really good for, you know, something to put together real quick. And you could do this with, I just used regular toast, just regular white bread. I thought it was real good. I thought it was video worthy, but you could do this with waffles or pancakes or whatever you want, really. Let's see if I can taste this without plopping it down the front of me. It's not as sweet as cheesecake or as rich, but it's really good. I'm not sure what Annie will think of this, but we'll see if she wants a bite here. Well, she ate it, but she got cherry stuff on my carpet. Now I have to clean the carpet off. I suppose you could use jam for that as well. It's your food, do it however you want. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.